right?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, yes.
Start.
Yeah, yeah. Today, as we are going to talk about artificial
It's your
intelligence
favorite topic,
and
I think.
yeah,
Today
it
I will
is.
just listen, guys. Today I will just listen, you guys, and if I feel comfortable, then at the last, at the end of the video, I will just try to put forward. So today
Okay,
I will
okay.
not
Please
talk
Okay, you
continue.
anymore.
can
Yes, yes.
you can also speak between a session, or you can also ask a question. So this is how, right, Nabil? We will try to explain
Right.
whatever we know, because
So,
it is a very very vast topic, and it is a very very important topic for me, I think, and not only for me but also for all the world, just because the only single example in a in initial talk I want to give. Nowadays, like, many people are just many people had no leg, no arms, even though people have leg and arms, but somehow in any accident or any, uh, that kind of incident, they lose their hand, their legs. All right. So in that part, artificial intelligence is working. I mean, this technology is working, and we use prosthetic hands. Prosthetic hand.
Yeah,
It is a
yes,
kind
yes.
of artificial intelligence hand, and in that hand we make a little bit programming and also a material. We involve all the science, from mechanical, electrical and computer science, as well as uh, artificial is nothing but it is a kind of, program. It is a kind, like, nowadays we are using this platform, Zoom application. Okay, but uh, what happens in artificial intelligence, if it will totally, okay, we have nowadays Google Assistant. I think everybody have. Okay, if you know, it is a very very small part or very short part of that programming, that now whenever you will tell tell your name to your assistant, after some time, if you will ask what's my name, it will recall you at that particular name. So, like, previously there is nothing programmed about you, but you are teaching it, like a kid, so the capability of learning machine, if any capability have machines, so they can learn, they can't feel, they never can feel, but they can learn, like a kid. But yeah, whenever it will learn, it will learn faster than us. If we learn any language in a year, they can learn in a day, in an hour, just because they can download all the data, so artificial intelligence is all about a smart machine, not only dead machine. It is a smart machine, that there are nowadays many example. Alexa, there are smart uh, home things, like, if you that are running on your voice control, eye control, speech recognition. So all these parts are these are a parts of that artificial intelligence. So machine, which machine is something smart, a little bit more. And there are also one thing, if you know, nowadays traffic police also started using facial recognition, right?
right.
Facial recognition. So it is only possible through machine learning and artificial intelligence, that we have to train that system a lot, and after that, whenever any person come in front of that, it will identify, it will identify. So this is actually, artificial intelligence is equal to a smart machine, we can say. It is, we can also make it as equivalent to human, but it will take time, to reach at that level. But it is still working on. We can take example of healthcare. We can take example of manufacturing. There are many robots which are working in a manufacturing sector. And there are also many fields where uh, I think sending to any people for work, that is risky. And we also know that is a fever, maybe, right? Whenever people go there, they work, so sometimes they have to also face very dangerous cases, which cause them their whole life. I mean, they dead just because of that, maybe methane, and maybe the gases just
Okay, can
inside
you
the,
listen me, bro?
yeah. Sandeep. We can
Because
listen you.
my connection is not so good.
No, no, no.
Can
Now
hear
you are very,
audio,
very
yes.
clear. Very, very clear. So,
I want to I want to ask
mhm,
something. Yes.
yeah, sure.
As you know that artificial intelligence us in many sectors.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, like in Facebook and many other media platform. If you search in a Flipkart about about mobile,
Mm-hmm.
yes. If you search in a Flipkart for your new mobile, then you will find a uh, mobile ad in your Facebook account also.
Right.
Yes, it helps
Yeah.
us a lot. But we are in the first stage of artificial intelligence. What do you think about in future? It is dangerous for us
No, it
in
is
third
not.
stage.
It is only a hypothetical thought. It is only a hypothetical thought that we have made just because of we have watched many movies that, oh, there are robots who are taking the life of human, what trying to win, how they can do it. They are not human. We are a human. We can do everything. We think like this. That's
They
we
have
also
no
think.
any kind of
If they are,
memory.
yeah, they don't have, emotions. They
Right,
don't
right.
care about money, everything. They only made to work with us. We can work only, we can,
Yes,
and they
yes,
will always make our work maybe easy. Okay, easy. And maybe some people have doubts, so I want to clear this doubt. Whenever I say like uh artificial intelligence and robots and also other machine, it will make our life easy, it doesn't mean we will become lazy. I'm going to give you an example. Definitely
yes.
many people will
We are
say,
becoming lazy. Yes.
if there are machine working in a place of us, we will become lazy. What we will do? Just take example of bus, cars. Don't you think in ancient time there was nothing, only people have to go by their foot? So they were wasting a lot of time if they have to go for single, very frivolous task, or very frivolous work which has nothing to do with actual real work. If they have to go 25 kilometers, 50 kilometers, they have to walk through their foot, and then they are going, then they are coming, they are wasting whole day at 24 hours just only going and coming. But nowadays we have machine as a bus, car, trains, aeroplane. So instead of wasting our time, we can use that machine, and the rest of the time we can use in another part. We are not lazy then. Are you getting my
Yes.
point or not? If machine is there, it doesn't mean we will be lazy. We will be do
Okay.
something else we supposed to do as a human.
So Dhruvo, can I ask you a question? Like, so
Exactly, you can.
don't you think that because of artificial intelligence, like unemployment rate is rapidly increasing because
No,
Yes. Yes.
because
Yes.
no.
because
Okay.
help of artificial intelligence, you can complete a task. I mean, which
Yeah.
task, and before intelligence like artificial, which task, I mean, we needed like 10 people to complete it, those
Uh-huh.
that particular task. So now we are completing that task by one person because of help
Yes.
of intelligence,
Okay.
like artificial intelligence.
Yeah,
Don't you
first
think?
be realistic that, yeah, exactly. First be realistic that we don't done their work very fast, no matter 100 people are doing or 10 people are doing. So it is again a positive point and optimistic point that you have already done. I mean, added that if something is done very fast, and if 10 people are taking to done that work in 10 days, and artificial intelligence can do that same work in one day, so it is a good thing. Don't you think it is a good thing that
But
rest of the
but
time you can
Dhruv
do
bro,
other
Yes.
things? Yeah.
unemployment is also generating.
Unemployment, yeah, yeah, I'm coming in that part, one by one. So yeah, when it comes about unemployment, it is the same when there were no any computers. So many accountant and all those people who were just working on paper, and they are doing all the things without the help of computer. They told, if there will be computer, we are gonna lose the job. Do you think they have lose their job, or after coming computer, we have a lot of opportunity to work in this field. Even though nowadays Jeff Bezos, he is a billionaire only on the basis of Amazon. It is a totally e-commerce company. It has nothing to do with your offline marketing. If you don't have computer, if you don't have internet, if you don't have mobile, they are not a, we can say a billionaire, a top rich person in the world. So it is only a myth that, yeah, the one thing we have to do, we need to update. We need to work. If like, bro, something, I'm giving you example, like nowadays driver is driving a car, but we are working on driving less car. Okay, and now you are telling, if there will be there will be artificial intelligence, they are driving instead of driver. No, there will be also driver, but if artificial intelligence is driving the car and it is in a auto driving, what will happen? The rate of accident and the all these things will decrease automatic. So we can save more people. You can imagine, we can't think like this. Even if our one loved one maybe anyhow got accident and he injured or he's dead, then we can realize the importance of one life. So the same, for the same, there are many injuries, there are many deaths that is going on just because of accident, just because of random driving. We can't think in a proper situation. Like if there is any circumstances, we just we only work on the basis of our emotions, and whenever we work, we made a mistake. So in this part, if we have a self-driving car and artificial intelligence is working, what would happen?
Yes.
They can ride better, and with them there also be a driver. It doesn't mean it totally there will be only driving less car, there's only computer. No, there will be driver, but yeah, with them there will be artificial intelligence as well, which will help person to become better, and they can do something better instead of just doing only one thing. But you have to update yourself. Whenever the machine will come, you have to update. And nowadays everyone knows, industrialization and many things is just converted into machines. Labor work converted into machines. So I think we can learn a lot, and it will also create many opportunity for you. Not only it will snatch your job, but it will create a many opportunities which anyone can work, anyone can learn. You don't need to go any colleges or anywhere. All you have to do, you have to learn by yourself. There will be, if there will be a lot of machine, don't you think there will be also many garage, many manufacturing sectors where people can work, and it is better than doing kind of a job like labor type. If you are repairing any machine, it is sometimes interesting and it is also good for you. So
Okay, so
it
I
will
would,
create a job as
I would
well.
like to say something.
So another person can.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah,
Can
I
we-
wanna say something that if you see anything, like whatever things you see, everything, every coin has two faces. So you can't say that it is good or bad thing. We can't measure anything that it is a good or it is a bad. We can't say it. If you talk about any human or any
Yes,
other
sir.
things, like any gadgets, everyone's have some pros and cons. If you talk about any humans, if they have some good qualities, so they also have some shortcomings. So like if we talk about artificial intelligence, same like it, we can't say it is 100% working for
Yes,
humans
one
and it is
question I also
100%.
want to ask.
Mhm. It is 100% working, or
Yes,
it is there is no any disadvantages. I am not saying it is. It may be because we are not completely aware about it.
Yeah,
It is the
there
it will be
are there
our
are
future.
there are if
Yeah,
there
but firstly we have to know
if there
about it.
will be
Mhm.
exactly, if there
Firstly,
will be more smart machine, it will be very easy for hacker, for those people
Yes,
yeah,
who
yeah,
are
that's
culprit
why.
and they are
That
using
is why,
it in
definitely.
a bad way. So we
that
don't,
point I also want to say. Yes, yes.
so it you are saying that you you are saying means, if we are just got accident through bike, so we don't need to purchase bike, we don't need to ride
Yeah,
bike, we
yeah,
can't do like
that
that.
is my
If
point.
there is some insecurity and
That is
there's
my point.
negative thing, that doesn't mean that we don't have to do that.
Yeah,
Okay,
means
We
we
will
have
do.
to
Sandeep,
work on
Yeah,
it. We have to ins and outs about that thing. We have to
exactly.
accumulate the knowledge about it. That
We
is the
have to
thing.
keep precautions.
Yeah, definitely.
We
And the
have to
second
keep
thing is you
precautions
talk
about
about
it, you
what
know.
is AI. So in two words, we can say very easy words like Alexa and Google Assistant. If you know about it, so it is the good examples of artificial intelligence in our present time. They are both things are exist,
Yeah,
and in which platform or in which fields we can use artificial intelligence. So there are plenty of fields through this we can utilize it, like outer spaces. So
all the fields we can say, you know,
yeah,
all the fields,
but we are
all the
just talking
fields.
No,
about
no.
some
All
specific
field use
fields.
artificial intelligence.
Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
know, but
YouTube also
some
have
fields it
artificial.
is necessary. Suppose if you talk about space, outer space, so it is the boon
Mm-hmm.
of artificial
Right.
intelligence. Otherwise, we can't discover new things.
Exactly.
It is impossible. And like
Yeah,
education,
bro.
it is also very helpful in
Yeah.
education, because you know that down the line everything is gonna be completely based on AI based education after 10 years later, I think. And especially we are
Yeah.
facing this pandemic, so it will be helpful as
Exactly.
well. And third point is medical. In medical
Yeah.
way, if you watch about Japan or China's last couple of weeks, you found some videos. They work completely with this intelligence, like some robots work in their COVID-19 hospitals even though. So it is a good way of it. And the fourth one is
As
in
well as in hotels
Yeah,
also, bro.
exactly.
Mhm.
In military.
In military department, definitely, because there are some drones or some automatic
Defense department.
aircraft vehicles. They are based on
Yeah.
completely AI based. And transportation, as like Dhruv said, that in the
Yeah.
future we are gonna have some AI based cars or buses or maybe some trains or any other things, because we can't say that what will be happen in future, but completely based on AI. And entertainment, because yesterday
Yeah.
or day before yesterday I watched a video. There robot bowling, a player bowling a guy and he's batting. So so we can play with them, they
Mm-hmm.
can entertain us. And the last point is household chores,
Yeah.
and I think everyone know about like cleanliness. A couple of days before, mi launched a appliance. Mi launched a kind of robot which is completely based on home appliance, like it works for clean your home. It works as a wiper as well.
Mm-hmm.
You just have to timing, you just have to cover the area. They complete uh, uh, tidy your home, and it work like a mess up. They completely complete your mess. Whatever mess you have, whatever dirts you have, it easily. So that is the thing we can use it. And there are some advantages as well, because as a human, if we do some work, so after sometimes later we feel boredom or we feel monotonous. But as a robot, it will work for a long time. It is the good thing, and it can work 24/7. It is another thing, positive
Yeah.
things you can say. And it never calls sick or ill, because
It
as a
can
human.
be it can be boon for, yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. It can be boon for every single human, especially for those who are incapable, you know, who are
right,
crippled. It will
right,
be boon for them. Even though a people who can't, you know, this a people blind, artificial intelligence has a power to give them eyes, not eyes, but yeah, they can see the world.
right,
If some people can't hear,
Yes, yes.
exactly.
intelligence has power to cure, you know, all the diseases. There are many diseases in our eyes,
Mm,
which we can't cure only by, you know, if we don't have a smart mind, or maybe, you know,
right.
I mean a very very smart mind, we can say. We need a lot of research, and
And
that part artificial intelligence can do in a second, in a maybe hour, you know,
mhm,
that we took to take for maybe month, or maybe more than 10 days. So it is a boon in a medical sector as well as
exactly.
all the other sector
And
also.
very
So
interesting
yeah.
thing I wanna share with you, that yesterday I read an article. I read an article where I find that scientists discovered, not discovered, you can say, invent a chip, or you can say a memory card, which insert in our brain. And what will
Mm-hmm.
happen? There is no necessary to learn any new
Yeah,
language.
neuros. Yeah.
Yeah, there is no necessary to learn any language,
Mm-hmm.
even though we
I
don't
have
have.
also seen,
Yeah, I think you also know about it. And we don't
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to say anything. We just think in our mind, and it deliver to your mind. If we both have some kinds of chips, it works like a Bluetooth base. So if we think something and it transfer to you that what I think, we don't
What?
have to say anything.
Yes.
Even though what kind of language we have, it just trains our thoughts without saying anything. So it is gonna be
Elon
happen
Musk
in
is
future.
Elon Musk is Elon Musk is working on that. I think I have also read the news about him. Elon Musk is working on this technology that we use for our brain as a chip
Yeah.
and as better AI technology for
Right.
our to increase our capacity of brain. So
But
yeah, in all the part.
but there are
Hmm.
some
Ayan, maybe
disadvantages
you
as
want to say
well,
something?
like it risk of the security. Definitely it
Risk
improves
of security, yes.
exactly, it increase the risk
There
of the
is
security.
simple example. There is simple example. We lost a lot of money just through spam calling, but still we are using ATM cards, phone
Yeah,
pay, Google Pay. We can't, just because it is a need. So just because of,
right.
yeah, but the people who lose his money, in
Yes, yes.
that 2 lakh, 1 lakh,
I think
maybe
in its
he had
first
saved
stage we
that
have to face
money.
this problem.
Yeah, maybe he had saved money for his children for education, maybe for for his girl marrying, all those parts. So maybe he never used, but if we will talk about other people, we are still using and we will use
Okay,
all the
Right.
things we can do. We also
but
need to become aware about it.
Right.
Only
I have
And
a
the
we
point
can
cost,
do part.
if we talk
Ruko
about
Ruko
cost of this, it is really high cost. The cost of that, all the AI based technology, machines, robots, it's really costly. It's so expensive. It is another little bit
Yes,
Yeah.
of
yes, you're
drawback,
right.
you can say. And there is
Yes.
no any
I think
emotions.
it is. Yes. It only expensive.
Hmm?
Yeah.
It only
Jalaluddin, you want to ask something?
Yes, yes. I mean, I know. Yeah, I think
yes.
everything
It only
is like
expensive around
what
2 to 3 years.
I mean, what is happening by the help of artificial intelligence? It's for only like benefit for human being, and it's a creation of like human being. So artificial means a creation of human being. So, and I think this sector, this artificial sector, is not giving importance. I mean, who are unskillful, who are unskilled. I mean, those people don't have the skill of technology and like computer sciences. I mean, so they are not giving importance for them. I mean, for those people. So what about
So
those people who are not,
no,
skillful
no,
and
the
they don't?
like exactly. It is not for those people who don't, it is not those people who are uneducated or unliterate. It is not for those people who are not willing to learn something. Bro, if you have something new nowadays, just look at us, look at us, all the teachers and students. They have never supposed to do like this. They are doing nowadays. They are taking online classes, they are teaching, they are improving themselves. It was
Yes,
next to
yes.
impossible.
It
Even some
have
parents maybe they have never allowed their children to touch mobile phone just because they have insecurity
Right.
that they will use in a bad way. But still nowadays they are sitting, they are giving mobile phone, just read and learn. So
Yes.
when you talk about those people, if they have to do something, they must acquire that skill, and it is not a bad thing if they
Right.
will start to use their mind.
Because
This is how they can do something better.
right. In a nutshell, we can say everything. If you talk about everything, they have two faces. Every coins have two faces. We have to know about it. We have to figure out all the pros and cons,
yeah,
and then we have to tackle it. How can we utilize it? That is the easy thing. Because if you wanna search
Yeah,
anything in the world, it's not matter whether it is living or non-living. You say everyone have some pros and cons. Everyone have some ins and outs. So we have to figure it out,
hmm,
and we have to gain some knowledge through them, and then we have to utilize it. That's the very easy thing.
yeah,
yes,
but
yes.